And tomorrow, you know who we got coming in? I do. American Idol's very own Bo Bice. His brother is coming down. Yes, Eric Bice will be right here rocking the stage.
Hey, DJ, this place is about to pop. Why don't you throw on some Charlie Daniels?
Good call.
Nobody tells DJ Request what to play. Let them tell you what to play, they lose respect for you. They lose respect for you, you lose control. Not today.
All right.
Hey, can you bring the mood up? Yeah, play something good. Like YMCA by the Village People.
You read my mind.
Just out of curiosity, what time do you get down from there?
Every day they will test you. Every day they will push you to the brink. You must fight them, DJ. Fight them.
DJ, play We Are Family by Sister Sledge.
Drop it! Finally, somebody hit the nail on the head. That's what I'm talking about. That is a perfect song.
Dead puppy.
What the
I warned you over and over again not to tell me how to do my job. You brought the song yourself. Are you happy?
Just play it, just play a good song.
You got it, friend.